Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to log in into the Capitec internet banking. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Capitec mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the sign in button in the top, and then it will ask you whether you want to sign in into your own account or into your business account. So you just have to choose the one account that you have. For this video, I'm going to select myself and then tap on the get started option. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where it will ask you that Global One will activate your app. So in order to log in into your account, you will have to provide your account number. Afterwards, you need to enter your PIN. Then you need to verify your identity. For that, you need to take a selfie, and this way you will be able to start using the application. So basically these are the 4 steps that you need to take in order to log in into your Capitec internet banking. So over here you need to press continue, and then you will be landed on the first step of Capitec internet banking login. Over here you need to provide your savings account number that you have with your Capitec account, and then you need to press continue. On the next page, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions and provide the information as it says, and this way you will be able to start using the Capitec app, or basically login into the Capitec internet banking. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.